Hello, hello. It is November 5th, 2024. Good morning. It is 9:30 in the morning. Game off 24 day 5. But before we begin with the game off programming, we're going to talk about the previous stream project that had a release in October for the demo. So I started wanting to clean up code, for it. And so I've been rewriting a bunch of the functions. I've actually just said, because we have so many lines of code, we're just going to rewrite everything. So yes, a lot of that is going to probably be revisited in future streams, whether it will be this month or next month. It'll probably be starting next month, just out of pure warning right now. I'm just gonna say, yeah, we're going to revisit some of the old code, because I'm pretty sure I haven't even started the actual story part of the game yet, but I also have a lot that I need to reprogram, like the character. Like when you initialize your character, which instead of calling it create character, I might just call it initialize character. And then we'll call that instead of, because there's a lot that I need to rework, and I just was like, we're gonna start over. So yeah, I may have lost 6 months worth of progress, but I didn't wipe every branch. The demo's out. There is still the in-dev branch, which has most of the changes, and the demo branch that has all relevant changes. So yeah, but I'll talk about that more when the time comes, and I want to go into programming now. So for this, I'm going to be working a little bit slow because this is my strictly on-stream project. So you decide to look at maps of the kingdom. We're going to say, I actually don't know with this. So of course we're going to say, you decide you decide to look at maps. I don't know. I can't even spell. The general location of the civilization. Cause like part of me is like, if we do a text adventure, I feel like that would be more complex, but I'm not 100% sure. We're not gonna have like a character class. I don't think we're gonna have any classes really outside of the program. So I'm just trying to think here. I mean, if we go live like an hour a day, that's, and people say, well, it's your strictly on-stream project, so you don't get much done. Yeah. I mean, I could go live till like 11, so we'd be live an hour and a half, and then we'd go live after lunch at our normal stream time. Granted, today is Tuesday, so we don't normally stream today. We start streaming tomorrow. Yeah, so, yeehaw. I mean, like, I do want to actually, like, try to get something done, but if we don't get the demo done, I can at least say that I tried. So, one of the weird things that I'm also trying to figure out right now is why the NVIDIA laptop prefers software encoding compared to the NVENC encoding. Um, I can't spell. Decide to. Alright. So, let's test it. We have nothing here. Because I don't remember if I have written anything for this particular part of the function, so we'll what's the weather gonna look like today? I am actually gonna look at the weather real quick too, because that also plays a factor into how long we're live. I think we're supposed to get some rain today, and I did not want to get out of bed this morning. Today, a 40% chance of rain. Tomorrow, partly sunny. Oh, we'll actually have some sun for a couple days. Holy crap. Yeah, this forecast has definitely changed since I looked yesterday. Uh, so we'll just do like a random, like, hey, we're gonna test this. We're gonna make sure that everything does what it's supposed to do. So we'll do a CW. Why did you not bring up the IntelliSense there? We'll just do that for right now, because I do want to test the look at maps thing. Let's do 2. Oh! Cool. It does work. 1. I'm going to change some of the... Okay, so we're going to go 1. What? Did I not add to that? I thought I did. Okay, cool. Well... Oh, that was that one. So book number 3. Oh god, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do 3. Okay. So then why does it not? Oh! I think it's book choice. Alright. We're making progress. But yeah, we'll probably go live till like 11:30, and then I will go make food, and then I may be back later. We'll see. So, you want to make sure that, I don't know, I want to prompt the user to like go, hey, you want to make sure you have all the information you can get. I think it's raining now. Or at least misting. Oh boy, I can't tell. Because it looks like it's been raining, but I don't know. Like, it looks like there's water on one of the windows, but when I look out the other one and look at the street, I can't really tell, because there's no like mud puddles to look at. That's actually a good thing that I like to do when it rains, is like see how hard it's raining by looking at the mud puddles, or if it's coming down hard enough, I can just look out the window and go, oh yeah, no, it's raining. But excuse me. Oh. Anywho. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Because it's like, B has read books. I'm actually going to put a comment here to go like, prompt inform user that they may not have enough info to move forward. So we can get that set up. Literally, I'm like, okay, so we got to make sure that each of the if-else statements actually do this. So we'll do this. So honestly, then we'd have to do another switch within these, I think, for the maps specifically. No, you wouldn't. Okay? Because then you would have to call player init choice and set it equal to player init choice, and then set that equal to an empty string, because then you'd have to reset that one. So maybe, I don't know, maybe let's try it here. Player init choice is equal to an empty string. I want to see if that works, and then, okay, else we want that. And then we'll do the same thing down here, just to make sure, just to see if that works the way I intend it to, or if we have to step out, and then step out of that Switch statement. Okay, we could do this. We can do this. Alright. And I know people will be like, you're live a lot. You're live like twice today. It's, yeah. Because I do want to go live at the, what I would consider my normal time, which is 1 o'clock, Central Time. So I'm going to keep an eye on OBS. So let's hit save. And then let's... Oh, wrong thing. Hold on. Excuse me. I had to sneeze, so. Alright. We want to read historical book. We want to read the history of hydroelectricity. And the writing of John. Okay. And then we can look at maps. Okay. So that does kind of work. So then we have to have like an overall if statement there, but you know, cause yeah, let's do that again just to track how many times we have to do that. Okay. We want to hit 1 or read historical book. 1, 3. So there's 2. And then you look at maps. And then, yeah, we would say, we would want an if statement there. I think I literally just wanted to have something in there to say like, hey, you have reached that parameter. Because remember, for people wondering, why do you have to do it 3 times? The first go around, books read will be 0. Second go around, books read will be 1. Third go around, books read will be 2. And if you notice, we're using the if statement that says if books read is equal to 2. Not less than or equal to. Because we don't want it to run that code when books read only equals 1. And people will say, well, the Parable of Stanley doesn't have any if statement because that's not meant to be a helpful book. So yes, you have 3 book options. This is the one that doesn't really do anything. So I figured it'd take like 3 times to do, but I will be right back again. Alright. Sorry about that. What were we doing? Oh, yeah! Name. Inform users. Okay. I should actually test the quit options, but we know that works. I'm gonna slide forward here a little bit. Come on. The joys of using a folding chair as a desk chair. And, oh boy. Come on. Alright. Alright. Well. I mean, we could just make an alternate path where we just go game over. So, I think what we'll do is we'll keep this line. Yeah, I do want to give them some autonomy here, or, some decision-making power, but do you want to /n 1. Actually, we could do it like this, so it looks a little more read more. And we do /n to look at maps. Okay, so what we'll do is I'm actually going to see if this works. People pick. Because I think this is the writings of John, which actually gives you enough information to go off of potentially. Like, I'm saying good, but I'm not 100% sure, even though I am writing this. So, oh, I don't remember. Sorry, I'm looking at the rework game so I can see. Oh. So I think I was starting. Oh, I was starting to do. Oh, I see. So for the rework, that makes sense. Okay. Alright. So, we're going to call it a string move forward. I would do a question mark, but that turns it into a ternary. That's a ternary, and I'm not messing with that. So let's do that. No. We want to do a... Well, we'll actually take this and then Control C. There we go. Case. I'm actually going to make it be specific, so we're gonna go read more books. And we are gonna go in and fix the menu. Prior to that, so. Got hair on my face. Okay. Okay, we're good. Alright. Read more books, right? Alright, and then we do this. We then break. Case. Two. No. Just two. Because it's gonna... Okay. So, we're going to put in a case, look at maps. Okay. I think so. We just go. You decide to read more books. We'll keep it simple for these. Let's keep it simple, and then yes, we're gonna have to test this. So I wonder what all has changed. Cool. You decide to look at maps. Player. Init choice. Oh, that should just be. Yay! Alright. Alright, so we got that. We got reset and clear, maybe? Is what we do next. Alright. And then it's switch input to reset, which I don't think that's gonna do anything. It's move. I should change it to be Pascal case. I'm working on it, game. Don't. There we go. There we go. Perfect. And I'm gonna put a comment for each of these. Alright. Do we do the same for the other book? Yeah, but let's test things first. That just seems easier. I think it was 3. Alright, so then I will make a specific bool that we run a check on. Okay. So, we're gonna queue. Okay. The joys of... Oh, I also have to fix the menu for a few of those. Because some of that spacing looked wonky. So, that's what we'll do. We'll fix this really quick. Actually, they should be right up against. Because these are all new lines anyway. Alright, let's see how this runs. Alright. Okay. That actually looks really good. That looks better. Oh, there's a space between the and parable. There's an extra space there. I can fix that. Okay. So now that'll work fine. Let's do a commit. Let's say fixed spacing for a menu and added a choice for one book. Alright, I'm gonna make sure that that change went through. I mean, I don't know. I kind of do. Let's see. Do I end it early? Nah, we'll be fine. Unless OBS starts having problems, we'll be okay. And it doesn't look like it's having problems today. At least not yet. So we have... So I suppose... You decide to look at the maps of the kingdom. And this is where I get confused, because like I don't really know what I want to do with this project from this point forward, which sucks because like I'm having a lot of fun writing it, but at the same rate I do want to focus on my other big project, so I don't know. I at least want to go an hour. But that's about it. I don't know what to do. So, yeah, today's stream's gonna be short and I'm not getting a lot done, but I just don't know what to do. I may actually continue this off screen for a little bit. I might come back later. So, that's always a possibility. So, I guess we'll see you guys soon. Bye.